Hello friends, once again welcome to exclusive question discussion of AIFA education. So today we'll be discussing another question from data interpretation. Here it's given, consider the following table that shows the percentage of distribution of runs scored by an Indian batsman against different countries in one day international and T20 World Cup matches. Total runs scored by Indian batsman in OD and T20 are, it's given in OD it's 2800 and T20 it's 2000, and based on the table below you have to answer the question. So this is question number 1. The batsman had scored 220 runs against Pakistan in T20 matches. Then what would have been the percentage of runs scored by the batsman in the T20 matches against all other countries? Assuming that the total runs scored by the batsman remains the same, that is 2000. Okay, so the question is, it's a very easy question. It's given that the batsman had scored 280 runs against Pakistan, and the question is, what would have been the percentage of runs scored by the batsman in the T20 matches, okay, against all other countries? So we have the total runs scored by the batsman is 200, and he has scored 280 against Pakistan. So the remaining score will be 2000 minus 280. We have 1720. So the question is regarding what will be the percentage. So we want to find the percentage. So we have to find the percentage 1720 by 2000 into 100. We'll be having the answer as 86% is the correct answer. Option C, 86 is the correct answer. This is a very easy question. It's given that the batsman had scored 280 runs against Pakistan, okay, in T20, and the total runs scored in T20 is 2000. So we'll be just subtracting 280 from 2000. We get the value 1720. Then we will be finding the percentage. So for this particular question, we have option C, 86% as the correct answer. Moving to next question, question number 47. In the case of which of the following countries, the difference between the runs scored by the batsman in the OD and T20 is the second lowest? In the case of which of the following countries, the difference between the runs scored by the batsman in OD and T20 is the second lowest? That's the question. So we want to find which is the second lowest. Okay, second lowest. So we want to find the scored by batsman in T20 and this one OD in for the given country: Sri Lanka, Pakistan, South Africa, and West Indies. So for Sri Lanka, it's about this is a Sri Lanka, then we have Pakistan, then we have South Africa, then we have West Indies. Okay, so for Sri Lanka, he has scored, the batsman had scored 9%. We have 9% of 2800. That's a total runs in the OD. So it is 252. 12.5% of 2000. That is a score total runs in T20. This is a total runs in OD. So we have 12.5% of 2000. We have it as 250. Coming to the next country, Pakistan, 10.5% of 2800. We have it as 294. 9.5% of 2000, we have the 190. Coming to next country, that is South Africa, 12.5%. okay, 12.5% of 2800, we have it as 350. 16.5% of 2000, we have it as 330. Then we have West Indies, 14%, we have it as 392, and 18% we have it as 360. Okay, so we want to find the difference between each. Okay, so the difference between Pakistan score, okay, for Pakistan score we have the differences 1 for the South Africa we have a difference of 20, for Sri Lanka we have a difference of 2, and for West Indies we have a difference of 32. So the question is, which is second lowest? Okay, so we have the first lowest, or the lowest is Sri Lanka, and the second lowest is South Africa. So we have option C, South Africa is the correct answer. The question is regarding in which of the following countries the difference between the runs scored by the batsman in OD and T20 is the second lowest. That's the question. So we'll be finding the runs scored by the batsman in Sri Lanka, Pakistan, South Africa, West Indies in both OD and in T20, and we'll be finding the difference. We have option C, South Africa is the correct answer. Okay, moving to the next question, question number 48. The runs scored by the batsman against West Indies in T20 are approximately what percent of the runs scored against Australia in ODI? That's the question. The runs scored by batsman against West Indies in T20 is what percentage of the runs scored against Australia in ODI? So that's the question. Try to do the question. For every question, I know it's a data interpretation question. You need more time to do the question. In such cases, definitely you can pause the video. Okay, you can pause the video. You can take your own time, and after you can restart playing the video. So the question is runs scored by batsmen against West Indies in T20. West Indies in this is a country. West Indies in T20, it's 18 percentage. We have 360. Then is what percentage of the runs scored by OD against Australia? OD against Australia. This is Australia. 17.5 percentage. We have 490. So the question is 360 is what percentage 490? It's asked the runs scored by the batsman against West Indies is in T20 is approximately what percentage of the runs scored against Australian OD. So we have 360 by 490 into 100. We will be having the answer as 73.4, and approximately we can say it as 73. Again, we have option C as the correct answer. Here the question is the runs scored by the batsman against West Indies in T20 is approximately what percent of the runs scored against Australia in OD. Okay, so that's the question. So we'll be finding the runs scored by the batsman against West Indies in T20 and Australia in OD, and we'll be finding the percentage. So we have option C as the correct answer for this question. Moving to next question. Total runs scored by the batsman against New Zealand in T20 matches are approximately what percent of the total runs scored against Pakistan in OD matches? It's a question similar to the last one. Okay, similar to the last one. So let's try to do. If you want more time, you can pause the video. So New Zealand, we have T20, it's 10 percentage. So 10 percentage of 2000 or 2000 is we have 200. Then Pakistan in OD, it's 10.5 percentage. So we have it as 294. So the question is 200 is what percentage of 294? So again we have to do 200 by 294 into 100. We have it as 68 percentage. Option D is option D is answer. So this question is similar to the last question. Here the percentage is asked regards to the total runs scored by batsmen against New Zealand in T20 matches is approximately what percent of the total runs scored by, against Pakistan in OD matches. Okay, so that's the question. So we have 200 by 294 into 100. We have 68 percentage as the correct answer. 68 percentage as a correct answer, option D. So moving to the last question of this set. This is it. If the batsman played 14 innings against Sri Lanka in OD and remained not out in 5 innings, then the average run scored by the batsman against Sri Lanka. Okay, so the question is if the batsman played 14 innings against Sri Lanka in OD and remained not out in 5 innings, then what will be the average run scored by the batsman? Okay, so first of all, let's try to understand what's a run scored by batsman against Sri Lanka in OD. So it's against Sri Lanka in OD 9 percentage. So we want to find the 9 percentage of 2800, that is 252. So 252 is a run scored by batsman in 14 innings, but he remained not out in 5 innings. I hope you will be knowing the basics of cricket. In that, a particular batsman will be batting, and while finding the average, we will be only counting those number of matches in which the batsman is out. Okay, or he has stopped his innings. In case of not out, those matches in which the batsman didn't got out, we will not be considering that number while finding the average. So here we have a total matches is 14, 5 matches he is not out, which means we want to we have 14 matches, 5 matches is not out. So as to find the total number of matches, for considering the average, we want to subtract 5 from 14. We have it as none. Okay, we have it as none, which means while finding the average, we will be only considering none as a number. So we'll be dividing 252 by 9, and we'll be having the answer as 28 as the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer for this particular question. Okay, for this particular question. So I hope you're clear. The batsman, it's given that the batsman has played 14 innings against Sri Lanka in OD, and we'll be finding the percentage. Nan percentage is equal to 252. Total there is 14 innings, 14 times he has bat, but in 5 innings he is not out, so will not be considering that 5 while finding the average. So 14 minus 5 Nan, dividing 252 by 9, we have 28 as the correct answer. So that's it. That's we have to discuss in this particular set of A4 exclusive. We'll be discussing more questions in the upcoming videos. Thank you.